Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to set up Flask in Visual Studio Code and also how to run your first Flask application directly in your browser. This is perfect if you are getting started with Python web development. And also, here are what you would need. Firstly, you will need to download Python. And secondly, you will need to download Visual Studio Code. After downloading your Visual Studio Code, you would need to download Python extension. So the next step we are going to have to follow now is we have to go to your file, and on that file you will have to create a new folder. Okay, so let's go here and let's create a new folder. So in this folder, I'll call this folder, let's call this folder Python Flask. So we'll call it Python Flask, and let's save it. Now what we have to do now is we have to open this folder in our IDE. Let's come here and let's open a new IDE. So new window, let's close the previous one. Okay, good. Now after we open this one, this new window, now let's open our folder here, the folder we created earlier. So we'll come here and then we'll see it. Okay, said Python Flask, yes, Python Flask. Now let's select the folder. Now the next step in doing this is to come here and open our terminal, open our new terminal, and in this terminal here, we're going to install Flask. So basically, what is Flask? Flask is a Python web development framework. Yes, which allows you to be able to develop applications using Python programming language. So here, the next step we'll be taking is to install Flask by typing pip install Flask. So basically, what this prompt is going to tell our terminal is to install Flask. So this will install Flask inside this our particular folder which we just opened. Okay, it's already there. Now the next step is to create a new file inside this our folder. So let's call this file app.py. Finally, app.py is up. So the next step is to write our code. So we have to write our code inside this our file to be able to run it. So once we run it, we'll be able to see the outcome of the code. So the first step is to import uh, from Flask, import Flask. So basically, what this code is telling our ID is to import the Flask package from inside the Flask module, only the Flask package. So next step is okay, call our object app equals to exactly. Let's give it a route exactly at the def hello. Let's call it hello. Just hello. Then return the hello world. Good. So if name exactly. Now let's say output run true. So let's give it a host equal import. Instead of 45,000, let's put it on 43,000. Good. So now let's run this code we just wrote inside our Python file. So running this code will give us, so our code is already running on this URL. So let me quickly explain this code I just finished typing here. Firstly, we import Flask from inside the Flask module. Then secondly, we created the app. After creating the app, we created a route which returns a simple message. With the message here is hello world, which is a message it will return. Finally, we run the app inside a debug mode so that it refreshes automatically, which is the reason why we run it in a debug mode. So now to run our app in the terminal, we're going to click here. Oh, we've already run it already. It's already running. So the next step to be able to check it. Normally, if you click on this link, it will take you to an external browser to open it on an external browser. But instead of opening it on an external browser, you can also still check the outcome of your code inside your IDE by simply just copy the link. After copying the link, come to view, click on it, then come to command palette, click on it, and the next thing comes to simple browser show. So here you're going to paste the URL you just copied and click enter. Exactly. See, it is already running. After that, it is already displayed the message, which is hello world. So as you can see that now, congratulations, your first Flask application is now working perfectly. So also to make sure we can be able to view this our browser and also be able to view the code that we are typing in our file, we are going to split the screen. Split. After splitting, we move this from here to this place. Let's close this one. Okay. And let's move this a little bit so we can have enough room. So I see. So let's make some adjustment here and see how it's going to reflect here too. So here, hello world, let's change it to hi. Hi, my name is Optimus Prime. Thank you. hmm So now the first step is, normally we can wait for it to load here fully, the server to finish loading fully before we display it here. Most time it takes time. So if we try to run it, don't give it to us fast on time. You see, it's giving us my name is Optimus, but it has not given us Prime. So to make sure we get it faster, what we can do is we can keep refreshing and waiting for it to show fully, or we can just close the server by typing Control C, which is going to stop the server, and then we can restart it all over again. Then we'll restart. After starting, by this time, it's going to display the full message. So just refresh the page, Optimus Prime. So you can keep doing this on your own and keep editing it, and get the message. And that's it. So congratulations, you've just set up your first Flask application inside VS Code, and you just run it in your browser. If you want to follow up video, maybe building a full website with templates, routes, or a full project, let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick coding tutorials. Thank you.